guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is super exciting. We're redoing my monthly BOXYCHARM unboxing, but I got sent both BOXYCHARM boxes this month. So I got the base box and the premium box. So I'm going to be showing you guys both of them. I've done one of these before where they've sent the premium box and I'm like, okay, well, you know, I'll show it in the video. I usually just do the base box one because that's the one that they usually send. But since they sent both, I was like, all right, let me just do both of them. So I think this one a little bit different than I usually do my unboxing videos. So I'm gonna unbox everything first in both boxes and then I will try on probably maybe not all of the products, but most of the products from both boxes, and then I will let you guys know at the end of the video which box I liked more. I'll be doing the value of both boxes at the end of the video as well. So we do have two boxes. Let's just jump right into it. By the way, if you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription box. Regular base box, which is the one that I usually get, and the premium one. And also, like, there's like a few options you can do on the BOXYCHARM website, so I will link that down below for you guys if you guys want to sign up for yourself. Affiliate links, if you guys do use the link, I will get like a tiny commission from it, so thank you if you guys do use it. So I'm gonna start off with the base box first, and I'm actually really excited for this one because there's a product in here that I've been wanting for a very long time. The name of this month's box is Lucky, and this is what the little card looks like. The thing that we have in this box is the product that I was talking about, and this is the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette, is the color scheme of it, and I've been wanting this palette for a long time. For one time it was on sale at Ulta, and I kind of went back and forth. I was like, should I get it, should I not? I think I ended up skipping out on it, but I've really wanted this palette for a very long time. This retails for $38, and I've never tried any Lime Crime palettes before, so this is super exciting. I love the colors in here so much, and the packaging is really pretty. Next thing that we have in this box is the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. I'm not a huge fan of Too Faced, but I think I might try this out today because I've heard pretty good things about it. I personally wouldn't buy this one myself, but since it's in the box, I will try it out. This retails for $26, and it says it's a creamy mousse formula that was developed with a special blend of whipped melting waxes that deliver an immediate full load of extreme volume without a heavy feel, 24 hours of smudge proof, curl, lengthening, all that good stuff. So the picture on like the actual packaging of like the lashes looks very thick, like very thick voluminous lashes. I don't know how much I like that, but anyways, so the next thing that is in this box, I have the Maven, I don't know, Rose Water Setting Spray. I've seen a lot of things about this brand recently. I believe they're Fashion Nova's makeup brand line. This retails for $22. It says it's a rose water setting spray. It says it prevents smudging for up to 16 hours, locks your makeup in. So this is what the box looks like, and this is the packaging. So we have the Cab Cosmetics Hydrating Lip Oil. It says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. Your lips will love this non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe this formula on for comfortable juicy lips all day long. You guys don't know, Cab is actually Brielle, what is it? Kim Zolciak, Brielle, and the other one. Their brand. Okay, this doesn't have like any lip plumper or anything in it, but okay. And the last thing in this box is we have a wet brush cleaning system with a silicone scrubbing pad. This is a convenient cleaning. Oh, by the way, the lip oil retails for $20. So this says it retails for $15. It's a convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup residue from cosmetic brushes. A textured silicone pad stores nicely inside the container. So it's just like a little, I think this is like a soap, and then the little silicone pad is on the top of the lid, which I actually really like that. I'm gonna wash my brushes right now, but this is really cool, and you can never have too many of these kind of products, so I like that. And $15, that's not too bad. So that is everything in the base box. And then moving on to the premium box. This box is huge. Inside does say premium. This box, I don't remember how much this box is, but I'll put it somewhere on the screen. The first thing that we have in this box is the Too Faced Hangover Good to Go Moisturizer. I already have moisturizer on, but I'll put this one on too. This one says it's hydrating, lightweight, and this retails for $35. I've actually never tried that before. When I used to use Too Faced, I really did like their hangover primer. I just haven't used it in like years, but I will give it a go. It does have SPF 20 in it, or 25, sorry. So that's really good. It's a lightweight dewy moisturizer. The thing that we have is the Glow Skin Beauty Beta Clarity BHA drops. This is the little box right here. It says these reformulated drops feature a clarifying alpha and beta hydroxy acids to eliminate impurities, rebalance excess oil, and visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and pores, while radiance promoting retinol, smooths and revitalizes, perfect for all skin types except extremely sensitive. This is a new launch, apparently. It says that on the card, and this retails for $48. I might put this aside maybe to give away to somebody that I know that might actually use that, but I have sensitive skin when it comes to products like that, so I don't know. We'll see if I use it or not. Next thing that we have in this box is the Rowan Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, a non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. This liquid lip balm helps smooth the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with a mango and grapeseed oil to hydrate and protect, provides a high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm, and this retails for $26. Isn't this really pretty shade? It says it's called Charlie, and it's like this, I don't know if it's like a full-on gloss. Let me open it up. Oh yeah, oh, this is actually really pretty. I really like this shade a lot. And I've heard good things of Rowan Beauty. So there are 6 products in this box, while the base box has 5. So I just wanted to mention that really quick. The next thing in here is the Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set. That says it's a Boxy exclusive, and this retails for $48. These are the brushes. They have like this like, it's reminding me so much of WandaVision, like this hexagon design all over it. And yeah, the actual brushes themselves are cute. I don't know if maybe I'll use like a couple of these. Next thing in this box is the Too Faced, or no, I get those brands mixed up all the time. The Tarte Big Ego Mascara. This retails for $23. It's an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So I'm actually not a huge fan of Tarte as well, so I probably will be putting this aside for a giveaway. And the last thing in this box, which I'm super excited for, is actually one of my favorite products, is the Haus Labs RIP or RIP lip liner, and this is in the shade Rule. This retails for $16, and I actually keep Rule in like my little cup of lip liners up here that I use all the time, so I'm really excited to have a backup of this one. I love the Haus Labs lip liners. They're super creamy, and I really like that color. So yeah, so that is everything in both boxes. I am going to do a little demo with some of the products. Go prime my eyes really quick, and then we'll get into the products. So I'm going to start off with the Too Faced Hangover Moisturizer. This one is from the premium box, and it comes in the same packaging as like their hydrating primer. There is literally nothing oh, there we go. So it's just like a lotion, and it has that same like coconut scent that the primer has as well. I already have moisturizer on, but so that's what it looks like. It definitely gives your skin a dewy look. Into the eyeshadow, I'm gonna just go ahead and start off with the shade let's start off with Dreamy. It's the shade right here. I'm gonna just throw that into the crease. Love these colors so much. And I definitely feel like I'll get a lot of use out of this palette because I wear these colors so often, especially, I mean, I wear these colors all year round, but especially during this time of year. Putting this into my crease. I'm trying to use this as like my transition shade. Add a little bit of Bliss, which is that shade right there, and just throw that into the crease as well. For my lid, I'm going to go ahead and take Beam. I just have to. It's so pretty. It's like this really sparkly lavender. I have to. This is so pretty. It has like a pink shift. Oh my god, I love this. Oh my god. This is so pretty. I just thought it was going to be like a regular like shimmery lavender, but it has the most beautiful like shift to it. It looks wet. And it just is really so beautiful. I was not expecting that at all. I don't even know if it'll really translate the same on camera, but the way that the light hits the sparkle and pearl in this shadow is really, really, really pretty. It just has like this, I wonder if I can see it more like if I swatch it on my hand. It just has like this really pretty shift where like it almost kind of looks like translucent. but then like the light hits it. Like, yeah, if I turn my hand, you can't see it, but then like when the light hits it, it's like stunning. So honestly, I kind of just put that eyeshadow like almost all over my entire eye, even like where I put the crease color. Sure, it would look really pretty wet, but I don't really want to take away from the way that it looks on its own. I just think it's really stunning. I forgot to use these eye brushes, but honestly, the brushes in here are not my absolute fave. Maybe I'll use this one for like my lower lash line when I get there, but the other ones I was like, I'd rather have like a fluffy blending brush. I'm gonna go ahead and do my my base really quick because I think everything else is more like lips and mascara and stuff, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and just did the rest of my foundation, bronzer, and all that stuff. I will link everything that I have on my face down below. But we're gonna move on to the lower lash line, and I'm just gonna take Dreamy, which was that purpley mauve shade, and I'm taking this brush from the brush set in the premium box. This is the, there's no name on it. It's like a little like pencil brush. I'm just gonna run this along the lower lash line. I actually do like this brush for the lower lash line. I feel like it's a really good size. I like my like little pencil brushes like this a little bit thick because I like to blow out my lower lash line a little bit, connecting that to the top. Bliss, which was that pinky shade, and add a little bit of that. Team, which was the shimmer. I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Too Faced Jam Girl mascara and try this out. This is what the packaging looks like. This out. Let's see what the, oh my god. The brush looks like it has so much product on it. It's super thick, like a thick brush. Very, I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks like it has so much product on it. But let's see. Seems like it's a pretty dry formula, unless this one's kind of like dried out. Which I guess is good because I think if it was wet, I feel like it would be like super clumpy right away. Okay, it's actually not as clumpy as I thought it was going to be. It just looked like the brush had so much product on it that I thought for sure it was kind of just going to get like everywhere. But it actually is separating a little bit, so that's good. I feel like it's lengthening, it is volumizing, and it's not clumpy, so it's kind of like the difference right there. I think it actually looks pretty nice. This is definitely not a lower lash mascara. It's a really big brush. It's not very lower lash line friendly. All right, I just went ahead and put on my lashes really quick. I did like that mascara, so it wasn't bad. I actually was pleasantly surprised with it. So last products that we're going to use are for the lips, and I was going to originally use the Rule lip liner that came in the premium box, but I think it's a little bit too brown for this look, but I love this lip liner. It's like a rosy brown and I love it. Stick with House Labs today, but this one didn't come in the box. I don't know if there was like different variations of the lip liners that came in the premium box, but I'm not going to use the one that came in the premium box that I got, which was Rule. I'm going to use my own, which is Doll. So you guys can still see like what the lip liner looks like, how the lip liners go on. For the sake of this look, it didn't really match, you know. So I'm going to use Doll, and this is one of my favorites. It's very pink. I think it's very fitting with the name. I'm just putting a little bit of this on, and I'm gonna see what this Rowan lip gloss looks like, or lip balm. This is the liquid lip balm. I'm gonna see if it's too brown. If it is, then I might just use like the lip oil on top of this lip liner, but this is what it looks like. And again, this is in the shade Charlie, and this one came in the premium box. Okay, it's a lot more sheer. It's not super pigmented. This is what it looks like. A little swatch. I think it would look really pretty on its own, but on top of this lip liner, it actually is looking okay. It does have a slight minty feeling to it. I actually really like the formula. It feels nice on the lips. I actually really like, and the packaging is really pretty too. So that is everything that I'm going to use today. I tried my best to try to use a little bit of both boxes to kind of give you guys like an idea. I really like that Rowan lip gloss though. I think that's really pretty. It's not super sticky or anything either. Okay, so this is the finished look. I'm obsessed with that like shimmer that I have on the lid. I just can't stop staring at it in the mirror. So let me go ahead and add up the two boxes. Let's start off with the base box first. So this month's base box was worth $121. So let me go ahead and add up the premium one. The premium box was worth $196, and that box I just checked is $35. So it's $10 more than the base box, that's $25. So you get 6 products in this one for $196, which is actually really not bad. By the way, have you guys seen the new INH phone cases? They're literally so cute. I'm obsessed with them. I'll link it down below. It's a collab with Casetify, and like I just can't get over how cute this phone case is. But anyways, that's besides the point. So base box was worth $121, premium $196. Overall, I think both boxes are really good. I'm gonna have to give it up to the base box though. I think this box was actually really good. I just think that the palette was definitely the main winner for me in here. The mascara actually wasn't bad. I didn't try this setting spray, but I mean, you can't ever go wrong with setting sprays, you know. I definitely will get use out of this little wet cleaning system brush cleaner thing. I like that it has the little like silicone pad to clean your brushes on here. Just like it's really convenient and small. You get a lip oil in here, so that one's cool. And for the price, I think that one's actually really good because the palette alone is $38, and I would pay that for this palette. I think it's really pretty. So you're getting it already for like less than the price of the palette alone. So I think that the base box was the winner for me this month. There are some good products in the premium one as well, but I just think, in my opinion, I liked the base box more. I just feel like it was a little bit better. I think just adding that palette in there was a little bit nicer. There was just something missing in the premium box, and I think it was like a palette or something a little bit along those lines. Like the base box was my personal winner for the month of March. So let me know down below if you guys got the same things in either one of the boxes. Are you guys subscribed to the base box or the premium one? Which one do you guys personally like more? Have you gotten both? I want to hear your guys' thoughts in the comments. Let me know if you also got like the same products as I did. I want to know what you guys got. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.